Hi, wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hari Arakli, and this is the Daily Brief. So let's get started. In today's episode, I wanted to bring you a small set of headlines focused on robotics that caught my attention these past few days. But first, a couple of other noteworthy headlines. Amazon Web Services has launched a space accelerator in India, supporting 24 startups across diverse segments such as launch vehicles, satellite imagery, geospatial analysis, and precision farming, the world's biggest cloud computing provider said in a recent press release. The 14-week program, a result of AWS's partnership with ISRO and InSpace, offers up to $100,000 in AWS credits, technical training, and mentorship. Startups will gain expertise in AI, data analytics, and business fundamentals, with the program culminating in a demo day to showcase their innovations. More details are available at the program's website, and you can find the link in the show notes of this episode as well. Syrma SGS Technology, a Chennai-based electronics manufacturer, plans to invest 1,800 crore rupees to establish India's largest multi-layer printed circuit board and copper-clad laminate manufacturing facility in Andhra Pradesh, Economic Times reports. The integrated unit, expected to be commissioned by 2026-27 in Naidupeta near Tirupati, will use proximity to Chennai's electronics hub and aims to reduce India's reliance on imported PCB materials. The facility will feature backward integration by manufacturing CCL, a critical raw material for PCBs, ensuring a stable and cost-effective supply chain, according to the ET report. It will also house an R&D center to drive engineering innovation. With the PCBs it produces, Syrma will target sectors such as smart metering, healthcare devices, automotive electronics, and electric mobility. The company is in advanced talks with South Korean partner Shinhyuk Electronics to bring technological expertise to the project. Okay, so now moving on to the robotics headlines. The 2025 RoboBusiness Pitchfire startup competition is now accepting applications from robotics startups. To be held on October 15th and 16th in Santa Clara, California, the event offers founders a chance to pitch their solutions to industry judges for a $5,000 prize and exposure to investors and industry leaders. Eligible startups must be under 5 years old, have fewer than 30 employees, and be developing or commercializing robotics technologies. The application deadline is July 16th, 2025. Filics, a robotics startup in Germany, has raised 13.5 million euros in a new funding round led by Sandwater, Alvin, F-Log Ventures, and the Amazon Industrial Innovation Fund. The investment will accelerate development and international rollout of the Filics unit, an autonomous double-runner robot system for pallet transport. Filics aims to optimize its technology for floor block warehouses by late 2025 and expand into other European markets in 2026, addressing important logistics and space efficiency challenges. NEURA Robotics has entered a strategic partnership with HD Hyundai Samho and HD Hyundai Robotics to develop and test quadruped and humanoid robots for shipbuilding. The collaboration combines NEURA's cognitive robotics technology with Hyundai's expertise in automation and welding, aiming to enhance efficiency, safety, and productivity in shipyards. Robots will be trialed in real-world shipbuilding environments, addressing labor shortages and driving innovation in industrial automation. I want to end today's episode by calling your attention to a new report by the multinational consultancy Bain Co on humanoid robotics technologies. Humanoid robots are advancing rapidly, with new research showing they could soon match or surpass human labor in both capability and cost, according to Bain. A recent analysis by the consultancy shows four key trends are converging. Robots' mobility and dexterity now rival humans. AI powered training is becoming easier. Costs are dropping sharply. And generative AI is enabling more general purpose intelligence. The unit cost of humanoid robots has fallen by at least 40% since 2022, with some models now as affordable as the cost of annual minimum wage labor in the US, Bain notes in its report, titled Humanoid Robots at Work: What Executives Need to Know. Unlike fixed or wheeled robots, humanoid designs can operate seamlessly in human-centric environments without major retrofits, according to Bain. Their multi-purpose nature and 24/7 availability make them attractive for industries facing labor shortages, especially as populations age and manufacturing skills erode in developed economies. Market projections estimate the humanoid robotics sector could reach $38 to $200 billion by 2035, with global startup funding in the field surging from $308 million in 2020 to $1.1 billion in 2024. While mass deployment is still a few years away, Bain urges executives to start experimenting with prototypes and planning for integration. The technology's rapid progress suggests humanoid robots will soon take on a significant share of physical jobs in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and beyond. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes wherever you get your podcasts. For in-depth conversations with entrepreneurs, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders building India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, please listen to my India Tech Report in Conversation podcast. To support my work, please subscribe to my free newsletter, India Tech Report, if you'd like to get all these in one place. I'm Hari Arakli. Thank you for listening.